In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check battery health on Windows 11. If your laptop isn't holding a charge like it used to, this quick built-in report can show you exactly how the battery is doing without any extra software. We'll walk through generating the report and opening it, then I'll point out what to look for so you can understand your battery's condition. First, open the Windows terminal with administrative privileges. Press the Windows key and X together to open the Power User menu, then choose Windows Terminal, Admin. If you see a security prompt, confirm to continue. Don't worry if the terminal opens to PowerShell or command prompt inside. The command we're about to use works the same either way. Now, type the command powercfg/battery report and press Enter. Make sure there's a space before the slash. This tells Windows to analyze your system's battery data and generate a detailed HTML report. After a moment, the terminal will confirm that a report has been saved and will display the exact file path where it placed the file. Take note of that path. It's typically saved in your user folder with the name batteryreport.html. You can use your mouse to highlight the path in the terminal and copy it. If you miss it, just run the same command again and it will show up once more. Keeping track of that path will make opening the report much easier. Next, open File Explorer. You can click the folder icon on the taskbar or press Windows key +E. In the address bar at the top, paste the file path you copied or manually navigate through your system drive to your user folder until you find Battery Report HTML. If you don't see file extensions, that's okay. Look for the file named Battery Report with the HTML type. Finally, open the Battery Report HTML file in your browser by double-clicking it. The report is easy to read and packed with useful information. Focus on installed batteries to see manufacturer details, then compare design capacity to full charge capacity. The bigger the gap, the more wear your battery has. Cycle count, when available, tells you how many full charge and discharge cycles the battery has gone through. Recent usage and battery usage show how your device has been consuming power over time, and usage history helps you track patterns. Battery capacity history is great for monitoring long-term health trends. If the file doesn't open, try right-clicking it and choosing Open With, then select your preferred browser. Consider saving the report somewhere handy so you can generate a new one in the future and compare changes over time. That's all it takes to check battery health on Windows 11.